let's begin with the session. I'd say, kindly switch off your mobile phone. Mute your mobile phones during the session, and after that you can again unmute it. So, firstly, welcome everyone. Welcome aboard to Legal Vidya. I'm glad to have you all with me today here. So, this batches of case analysis, as I've been told, so there's no need to introduce legal with you again, but just for the sake of introducing, we found a case, and we have an inclusive. We create an all-inclusive in our content in an all-inclusive manner. We provide students opportunities to participate in events like webinars, paper presentations, writing debates, courts, etc. And we also provide notes to various legal subjects. Founder and founder Rishabh has already introduced me. I'm Sakshi Sharma and I'm the founder of Legal Vidya. I'll be introducing the co-founder, Mr. Shubham Singh. He's someone who brings both skills and fun to the team. And on the writing front, he has published many novels and written poetries, and also written education-based books. Currently, he has published four research papers in the previous year. He has in-depth knowledge of the practical applicability of law, which he has gathered from interning in various educational institutions and advocates and working tirelessly under them. He is someone who loves environment and would do anything to protect it. So, as I've written, he's a philosophic and an environmentalist who constantly works for the welfare. Activities conducted by Legal Vidya. So Legal Vidya has conducted many activities. I'll just show you the poster we have conducted our first article writing competition. These are the three of our webinar. Recently, we have also conducted our quiz competition, which was the first national quiz competition. The fee, joining fee was just minimum rupees 20, and the cash prize, which was also there, was rupees 500. And the winner was one of our interns. She was Nankari. Yeah, that's for the first quiz competition. If you would like to participate in the regular mega quizzes that we organize, admin of your group, and he'll give you a link. Coming to the most important part for which you have joined, that is the internship guidelines. The intern will be depending upon your performance and if our team thinks it is fit. And during the period, you are expected to prepare 4 to 6 research articles, as in your case, that is case analysis work. We would feedback on the substance or of article formatting if it is not, as per our marks. However, before making final publication, we'll go through our editor. Actually, will
Ma'am,
go through your final
hello.
minute manuscript,
Ma'am, your voice is
and
breaking
it
between.
can be rejected if the suggestions which we give you are
You're
not
not
in
clearly
accordance
audible.
with the guidelines.
Hello,
Now, what do you need? That is switch my student of this. Just do you want to change my screen? Hello guys, I'm so sorry. There was an issue with the network. So, can someone please tell me what was the last thing that you all could hear? So, I'll continue from there. Hello.
Legal Vidya introduction. That was the last we could hear.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. Let me just again, I'll continue. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you so much, Ashika Jay. Okay, so I'll just skip the founder co-founder part, and then again I'll just quickly think about the activities conducted by us. So we have conducted quiz competitions and article writing competition and many webinars. We have had many eminent people speak in our webinar. One of whom was a judge who has cleared his arches, that is Rajasthan Judicial Services examination. He achieved the rank of 38, and we've also had many webinars on such as force majeure, right of women, then human rights, then legal research and article writing. We have done all that. Coming to the important part, that is your internship. Your internship will be for a period of 2 weeks, and participants are expected to prepare an article, that is 4 to 6 articles, or as in your case laws, case analysis work during the week. Authors may be given feedback related to their manuscripts, and before final publication, we need you to incorporate those feedbacks in your in your work. And manuscripts will be rejected if the suggestions are not incorporated to the satisfaction of the editorial team. Now, it goes without saying what all you should and should not include, but just to be sure, I'd like to share a few points. Firstly, you'll have to write your name, college, semester, and then comma, and intern under legal vidya. So it will be Shushma, a student of National Law University, Jodhpur, comma, second semester, comma, and intern under legal vidya. That's an example. Then in title, you'll have to write name of the case. Say, Keshananda Bharti case, Keshananda Bharti, Shupadigalwar versus State of Kerala. Then there will be keywords. Now, in keywords, if you're writing a research article, your keywords will be related to article. Now, since you're doing a case analysis, your keywords will include the relevant sections or relevant cases that were cited in the case. Say there's article 14, 15, 19, 20, 21. Just write keywords and then put a semicolon and write article 21, comma article 19, article 20, comma article 15, or if there is any other particular case, then mention the case name. Now, what all your case should contain? It should contain an introduction, then the facts of the case, contention of the parties, judgments, and recent developments, if any, and a conclusion. The conclusion part will be your analysis, which you will do. Now, since you have read the whole case, right, while doing the case analysis, you'll have read the whole case. Now, apply the judgment that was given then to the current situation in India. So, do you think the judgment was relevant? Do you think there was something lacking in the judgment? Do you think something better judgment could have been given? That will be your conclusion and analysis. Uh, then participants are required to submit a research article or, as in a case law, on submission.legalvidya@gmail.com. So you'll have to write in the subject your name, oblique, the type of task and number, batch number, then the date of submission and task number. For example, Shushma, then research batch one. In your case, it will be case batch one. Then the date of submission 6/2023 and task one. The topics will be given to you via your WhatsApp group, where our team will share a Google Drive link in which your cases will be allotted to. Now, some interns who do an exceptional work will be given a letter of recommendation. And again, the organizers will be there to help you at any time during your internship, and the communication can be done through WhatsApp or email. And that internship will be an unpaid one. I hope you're aware of that. Now, this slide should have come first. I'm so sorry for the confusion. But this is also something that you need to include in your research analysis work. We'll be sharing a file with you in which everything will be contained and sample work will be given to you. So this part is known as the overview of the case, and this will be the topmost section of the case. So here you have to write the case number, equivalent citations, date of judgment, case number, case type, then petitioner, the respondent, the bench who all was sitting, and the statutes referred. After this, there will come your introduction, the facts of the case, the contention of the parties, and then later you'll have your judgment. Now, some other rules and regulations. So we have a zero tolerance to plagiarism. So if you ever cite any other's author's work, we require you to give proper credit to the author, and the editorial board will automatically remove any content that is plagiarized. So if we think that your work is plagiarized, or if we see that your work has been copied from somewhere else, we'll not publish the article and it will be rejected. You are required to give your work before or on the before or on the deadline. I'm sorry. And see, now yes, we do follow deadlines. We follow deadlines strictly. Say for example, you have to submit your first task by 6th of May, and you submit it on 4th of May. Yes, it is good that you're submitting it before deadline, but if your task is not up to the mark, say the contention of the parties are missing, or say the facts are incomplete, or the judgment is not there, or the analysis part is not there, or the overview is not written, the task is useless because again we'll have to send it. We'll have to write a mail to you about what all things are missing, and then you have to edit it again. So it's better that if you require a day or two extra, ask your manager and take a day or two's time, and then edit the article, and then submit it. Then give a final manuscript. You know, check your work thoroughly 2 or 3 times, and then submit it rather than submitting it beforehand and giving an incomplete work. And there's one thing which we need you to follow is setting daily updates. So at 7 p.m. in your group, we require you to give update, and write in the update you'll have to give your name, your work assignment, in this case the topic name or the case that you have been assigned, the status of the work and submission date. So all these things have to be written daily at 7 p.m. in the WhatsApp group by you all. Apart from that, yes, if you ever fall sick or there's a family emergency, or you need a day or two's off, then ask your group manager, and if he permits after talking to our team, you can take the leave. However, when you're in leave, we require you to write in the status of work. You just need to write that on leave, and you have asked your manager. So those were some of the guidelines that we wanted to share with you. Any queries, any